Hey there. I'm about to paint under the hood, so I'm going to mask up this brake booster, power brake stuff, anything else, fuel lines, brake lines that I don't want paint on. I'm going to paint it glossy black. So we'll see how that looks. I actually not going to do it with the paint gun. I got some more of those cans like I did the other one with. So tempted just to take all the brake lines out. I need to redo them anyway. And the brake line I cut, I was able to get one from AutoZone and then bend it. So it's not fancy like the other one, but that's okay. So I'll record that when I spray it. Bye. So I just put tin foil or aluminum foil, I guess is what you call it, over the stuff I don't want paint on. I don't know where I found this tip. I heard about it, something. But when you try to put that plastic sheet over this, it is such a pain. It won't stay, and you tape it, but aluminum foil, it molds to the form. So I took the brake booster down so I could get back behind there. I fixed the brake line that I nicked a couple years ago. I'm going to clean this up, and then we're going to spray it glossy black like this. It's going to look awesome. So stay tuned. All right, here is painted black. It looks really tacky now. Hopefully it won't look like this once it's dried, because it looks like I did it with a rattle can, which I kind of did, but it's supposed to be the fancy rattle can. And of course, you got some sweat on it. But there it is. Hi there. 7 days before the car show. Had some progress though. I got the wiper motor in and painted that. What's it even called? I don't remember. It's like a kind of an off gray. Got the cross member painted. Zinc phosphate. Got that's the latch for the hood. Trunk things. I'm about to paint the dash, and I got the latch and the hinges and the hood and the fenders and the deck lid. And I painted under the hood. No, and I got that canister for the headlights, which I'm not even going to use, but I put it back in. This tin foil over the lines made it a lot easier than paper or plastic. Paper or plastic, because it squishes down and it stays on there. I still got to reorganize the brake lines. Yeah. There's that engine-y thing I got to put in. That's kind of annoying. I got to put the gas tank in, and I want to paint that too. And then I still got to sand the whole car again. And then I'll spray all these components separately. The fenders, the doors, the hood, the deck lid, and then the car by itself after I mask it off. So I mean, technically, I'm so close to paint, it's crazy, because I did paint this black. It's a little stickier looking than I wanted. I think it'll probably wear off after a while. I had the cans made up, but it's still way too much like a can of, like a rattle can. It's a fancy rattle can, but anyway, I'm gonna get back to sanding, and then I'm gonna decide whether I'm going to respray the sprayable filler. Definitely gonna do it on the deck lid, but I might have to do it on the hood. Oh, and I just fixed a couple of scratches on the fenders with some putty right there and right there. So I'll have to sand those down too. That'll be easy enough. But that fender's down to 320 and looks pretty good, except for right there. And that one has a couple of spots too, but I could just spray some primer on it. I don't know. It's all just figuring it out and getting in the sequence, so I don't have to keep painting and da-de-da. But at some point I have to decide how perfect do I need it to be. That's the problem, is I keep going, well, it's not perfect. Let me start over. And I'm like, I've got 7 days to have this done if I want to drive it to the car show. There's no engine in it. There's no interior in it. I have under the hood painted. Now, technically, I could still do it. I work every single day on it. I could get it done, because I'll be painting it probably tomorrow or the next day. Of course, I keep saying that. But if nothing bad happens tomorrow or the next day, then I'll still have to figure out all the wiring for the dash and for under the hood. The interior, the seats, the headliner, the carpet, the dashes, the dashes, the gauges, the dash, the recover the seats, the trunk. I need to paint inside there. It's just hours and hours and hours and hours. So I'm gonna stop talking now and I'm gonna sand some more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? All right, I feel some real progress here. I'm gonna paint the gas tank and the dash and the gas tank straps and things I need to weld in. So, and if I like the color, I'm gonna paint the steering column. It's a flat black. I was gonna use it under the hood. And if I like it enough, I may redo under the hood because the gloss black I got that was just in the spray cans, but even though it was fancy, just not, I don't know, it's not perfect as I thought it was gonna be. So we'll see how this turns out. Watch this. You got 1 week to go on till the car show. No engine, no interior. Still need to sand the body, final sand the body. I spent 4 hours on the underside of this hood. I'm gonna have to spray the sprayable filler on this deck lid, and I'm guessing on the other side of this hood. The trunk, spraying that black, looks like primer. I don't know if I like it or not, but the dash, I'll have to look at it some more, but I think it looks too much like primer. So I don't know if I like that. I'm gonna change the color up. Fenders are done, but I think they need at least another coat of primer. And then I gotta sand the whole body. I gotta sand the inside of the doors. So I'm gonna sand the inside of the doors. So I'll do all of these separately and the body separately, paint, probably in 2 days. And I'm thinking I'm going to repaint the black stuff because I just don't like it enough, which is unfortunate because it's just a wasted day and I don't have time to waste. The glossy black is growing on me, and I've got all the hinges and everything painted black too, and then I'll paint the rest orange that's left. So this is Saturday night, the 11th. 7 more days till the car show. Can I have it painted and assembled and running in 7 days? What am I, Chip Foose? Maybe. Thanks for watching. So I'm trying to put these, oh, I don't even have them. Let me go show you. I sprayed the sprayable filler again on the hood and the deck lid. Got the old welder out. I'm trying to put these brackets in, that hold the gas tank up. Here's the other side where I've drilled through, and I'm all dirty, and I need to go take a break. This is man work, tell you what. This is hard work. This is a lot harder than painting. This is like welding, and I haven't welded for probably a year. So I'm not very good anymore, not that I was that good before. But man, I want this car painted and done. Car shows in 6 days. I don't think it's gonna happen, I'm sorry. I just burned my thumb, and you know, that. So, taking a break. Thanks for watching.